Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2020 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one is a lunar blue. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch multi-spoke alloys, front and rear LED daytime running lights, exterior lighting package with intelligent high beam controls, multi-beam LED headlights, an espresso magma gray leather interior with a natural grain brown walnut trim, sunroof, ambient lighting. Come around back, trailer hitch, GLE 350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, Premium 1 package with driver's assistance package with the active speed limit assist, blind spot assists, lane keep assists, Distronic Plus, Burmeister sound system, warmth and comfort package with rapid heated front seats, heated armrest, heated and cooled seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with front and rear sensors, energizing comfort package with heat and ventilated seats, multi-contour front seats, air balance package. Also new to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX. You can use it as a smart device by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes,
how may I help you?
Change ambient light to green."
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Dual climate controls, wireless charging, touchpad for infotainment center, parking cameras, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLE has 11,415 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350, visit us at feldmanimports.com.